हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते एवरीवन। मेरा नाम हीना गुप्ता है और आज मैं आपके साथ थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर की एक्सरसाइजेज शेयर करने वाली हूँ। एज़ यू कैन सी कि मैं खुद अपने थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में एंटर कर चुकी हूँ। मैंने अपनी ये एक्सरसाइजेज 28 वीक्स के बाद स्टार्ट की थी एंड आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो व्हेन आई एम 30 वीक्स प्रेग्नेंट। ओके, सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप अपने डॉक्टर से बात कर लें कि क्या आपको गो अहेड है इस तरह की एक्सरसाइजेज लाइक प्री नेटल योगा के लिए। अगर है तो दीज एक्सरसाइजेज आर सुपर सेफ, आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं आफ्टर योर 28 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी। इस क्लास के लिए आपको दो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें चाहिए रहेंगी। एक तो बहुत अच्छा मैट जो बिल्कुल भी स्लिप ना करे। इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपका मैट अच्छा ग्रिप वाला हो ताकि आपका बैलेंस लूज़ ना हो। दूसरा होगा यू प्रैक्टिस अगेंस्ट अ वॉल। अगर आपके साथ वॉल रहेगी यू कैन टेक सपोर्ट। अगर आपके पास वॉल नहीं है तो आप एक चेयर भी अपने पास रख सकते हैं जिससे आप सपोर्ट लेके एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं। मैंने क्लास के लिए ब्लॉक्स भी रखे हैं बट दे आर ऑप्शनल। अगर आपके पास ब्लॉक्स नहीं है तो इट्स टोटली फाइन। सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल प्लीज़ डू सो, क्योंकि मैं अपने साथ और एक्सरसाइजेस लाने वाली हूँ। दिस इज़ जस्ट द फर्स्ट वीडियो। आई विल बी मेकिंग अ सीरीज़ ऑफ प्री नेटल योगा फॉर थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर। ठीक है, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में बैठेंगे, जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगता है। यू कैन टेक अ कुशन बिलो द हिप्स or you can sit on a block, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's start with the first exercise. We'll start with the head tilt. So take a deep breath in, inhale, exhale to the side, inhale center, exhale to the side. Let's go two more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Good. Let's change. अब हम up and down करेंगे. Again, inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale, exhale, look down. Inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale, exhale, look down. Last time, inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale, exhale, look down. Good job. Up side to side. Again inhale, exhale, look to your side. Inhale, center, exhale to the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Very good. अब हम 5 times each side will do neck circles. 5 times on the right, 5 times on the left. 1, 2, breathe normally. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. We'll start with shoulder rolls. Place your hands on the shoulder and then we'll make a circle. ठीक है, अगर आपकी elbows touch होती हैं very good, if not it's totally fine. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's reverse. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Perfect. Now let's go on our fours. Take your time. Coming here on your fours, hands right below the shoulder, knees right below the hip. So आपके hands will be right below the shoulder, यहाँ पे नहीं, एकदम below shoulder. And then knees will be right below the hip, neither here nor here, somewhere in the center. Let's take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, look towards your belly. And as you inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. We'll go 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. Exhale. Inhale. Very good. Let's come to neutral. Neutral means neither camel nor cat, somewhere in between. ठीक है? So आपको center में अपना spine रखना है. Let's start with bird dog. So right hand slightly in front, left leg straight. So from here we'll lift both arm and leg up and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Very good. अगर आपसे कोई भी एक्सरसाइज कुछ ठीक तरीके से नहीं हो रही है, आपसे जितना हो पा रहा है आप उतना ही कीजिए. यू डोंट हैव टू फॉलो और लुक लाइक मी, ओके, बिकॉज ये आपका 3rd ट्राइमेस्टर है. एवरीथिंग विल बी वॉबली. हर चीज़ बहुत ही अनकम्फर्टेबल लगेगी. Let's start with the other side, keeping spine neutral. One hand in front, another at the back. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Slowly coming back. Widen your knees. And we sit back in child's pose. Okay, make sure आपकी knees wide हैं so that your stomach can come in between and you're comfortable. Now you can be here or you can make a pillow rest with your hands and just relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Last time. And then slowly coming back. Okay, now take your time. We are going to stand up. So I normally stand up like this, taking my time and up. Okay, so let's do some standing exercises. We'll start with the first one. Let's take the legs a little wider than hip distance apart. Hands on the waist. Let's go for hip rolls. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one 8. Let's reverse. Let's go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Very good. Now from here, both hands in front. As I take my hands back, lift one leg into a curl. Just see, just watch first. We go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm not doing this, I'm doing this, trying to touch my hip with my heel. So let's start together. 10 times each side. Take a deep breath in. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and relax. Good, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. आप ये एक्सरसाइजेस और स्लोअर मोड पे भी कर सकते हैं. You don't have to go at my pace. Okay? Breathe in and breathe out. Perfect. Relax. Now let's move on to a strength move, which is going to be your squat. हर डॉक्टर स्क्वाट्स करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते हैं in your third trimester because it really helps you open the pelvis. ठीक है? So let's start. Hip distance or maybe a little wider than hip distance apart will be much better in our case. So it will be here and I have to think about sitting on a chair. Think about sitting on a chair and come up. Don't do like this. We are not doing like this. Push the hip back. जैसे आपके पीछे एक chair है. And up. Inhale. Exhale. जितना भी you can go low. You don't have to go too low. Okay, let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. आप नॉर्मल वॉकिंग भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स करने का हर किसी का अलग अलग तरीका होता है. आई लाइक टू डू दिस. यू कैन जस्ट वॉक व्हाटएवर. ठीक है? सो हम स्क्वाट्स का एक राउंड और करेंगे, बट उससे पहले थोड़ा सा एक दूसरा एक्सरसाइज ऐड करेंगे सो दैट यू गेट रेस्ट. ओके? इंटरलॉकिंग योर फिंगर्स. Make sure you're not bending your knees. Knees straight, ekdam locked. Hip distance apart legs. Interlock. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So हम आपकी calves exercises कर रहे हैं. Inhale. Exhale. Good. 7 more. Last 3, 2, ouch, and last one. Let's try to hold it here. Okay, focus at a point, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Relax. Shake your legs. Okay. Pregnancy के time पे we really need strength in our legs. ठीक है? अगर आपका नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो रहा है या सी सेक हो रहा है, डजेंट मैटर, बट यू नीड द स्ट्रेंथ सो दैट यू कैन टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. सो मूविंग ऑन टू आवर सेकेंड सेट ऑफ स्क्वाट्स. अ लिटिल वाइडर देन हिप डिस्टेंस अपार्ट. लेट्स गो. डाउन, अप. इनहेल, एक्सहेल. इनहेल, एक्सहेल. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Oof. So I'm making this video in my 30 weeks of pregnancy. So till now I have gained almost 11 kilos. So of course pre-pregnancy weight मेरा 66 के अराउंड था. अब मेरा 77, 78 के अराउंड है. So of course so much of weight has been there. और ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेज जो मैं बहुत आसानी से कर लेती थी, now they are becoming very difficult. And it's totally fine because that's what's supposed to happen. Okay? Let's move on to our next exercise, which is a sumo squat. Sumo squat के लिए you have to go a little wider, okay, on the mat, but to a place where you feel comfortable. You don't want to slip, okay? You want to make sure you are comfortable. 45-degree angle feet, okay? This is, feet is towards the camera. This is 45-degree, okay? So once we are here, you can place the hands on the hips, or you can keep it here, whatever feels comfortable. I'm going to keep it here. We're going to go inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. 3, exhale, 4, exhale. You want to make sure कि जब आप आपका sumo squat कर रहे हैं, you are not doing this. You are pushing the knees out and away. Okay, you're pushing the knees back. Good, keep going. We'll do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1 last. Let's just hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back. Good. प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करें, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप आपका बैलेंस बना के रखें, बिकॉज एज यू सी, बिकॉज ऑफ द बेली माई सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी हैज शिफ्टेड. सो मेरा कोर भी मैं इतना इंगेज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ अब. सो ऑफकोर्स आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट माई बैलेंस इज़ गुड सो दैट आई डोंट फॉल. ओके, perfect. Relax. So from here we'll go down on the mat again. Simply take support, knee down, and I'm going to sit on the mat. Okay, let's just relax. So आज हमारा first class था, तो I am not doing too much of it. It's simple exercises for your upper body as well as legs. Okay, you can start slow. If you are somebody who has not worked out before pregnancy और up to this 28 weeks तक आपने कुछ नहीं किया है, तो आप इस exercises से start कर सकते हैं हफ्ते में 2 से 3 बार. Okay, so once you feel more strengthened, then slowly you can take more classes or do more classes or do more repetitions of the same exercises. Okay, let's just sit here. We'll do some breathing exercises. Pregnancy में breathing exercises are very important because they help you maintain your calmness and also make sure कि आपको anxiety ना हो. Of course, as we all are progressing towards delivery, हमें लगता है कि यार क्या होगा डिलीवरी में, कैसे करेंगे, कैसे मैनेज होगा, कितना दर्द होगा. तो उन सबको काम करने के लिए it is important that we do our breathing, because breathing से बहुत ज़्यादा आपका बॉडी कनेक्टेड है और आपका बॉडी विल रिएक्ट टू हाउ यू फील. ओके, इफ़ यू आर स्कैर्ड, the pelvis might not open, so you want to make sure that you're breathing, you're calm and composed during that time. So उसकी practice हम अभी से start करेंगे. Okay, let's start with our first pranayam, which is going to be nostril breathing. So in this I'm going to inhale from my left and then exhale from my left. ठीक है, so एक ही side से हम breathing करेंगे. We'll do inhale 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then we're going to exhale on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Let's take our right thumb and close the right nostril. Now let's start inhaling from the left. Let's go. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now take your ring finger, right ring finger, and close your left nostril. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Just breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Good. So before we finish the class, we have one last pranayam left, which is the Bhamri pranayam. Bhamri pranayam is one of the best or one of my favorite because it really calms down your brain, senses, everything. Now how to do this? Take your thumbs, close the earlobes. Okay, so आपका जो earlobe है आप उसको press कर देंगे, उसको close कर देंगे so that you can't hear outside noises. Okay, or maybe थोड़ा कम आपको सुनाई देगा. Then take all your fingers and then wrap it around your eyes, and maybe the index finger can be on the forehead. Take a deep breath in and we'll make a humming sound. We will do this 5 to 8 times. Very good. Once you are done, you can place the hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Just breathe naturally. जितना धीरे सांस ले सकते हैं आप उतना धीरे लेने की कोशिश कीजिए. Just breathe naturally. Try to breathe as slowly as possible. Now join your hands together, rub your palms, keep your eyes closed, generate heat, and then place both palms on your eyes, head and neck, shoulders, arms, spine, stomach, thighs, and feet. Thank you so much for joining the class today. I hope you liked this class. अगर आपके पास कोई भी questions हैं, कोई भी suggestions हैं, please do mention them in the comment section below. I'm also available on Instagram. I am not currently very active there, but I do reply to all my DMs. Okay, I do reply to any of the comments which are there. So if you have any questions, you can connect me there. I will be working towards Instagram as well. Instagram पे भी मैं काम करूँगी, plus I will be visible there soon. But right now I'm too busy taking care of myself. I have to prepare for the new life which is coming. उसके लिए काफ़ी सारी preparations करनी पड़ती हैं, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें research करनी पड़ती हैं, कौन सा product, कौन सा brand. It's a lot of things going on. So I won't be there available for next few months, but slowly I will be there. But don't worry, if you have any questions, please do let me know. Okay, thank you so much everyone. See you in the next class. Bye bye.